I was so impressed with these. Last year I bought one and they've literally lasted me for 6 months or just slightly more. So impressed. My last one is in the washing machine right now. So I didn't just order one more, I ordered 2. I've got like a whole year's of laundry stuff. So this is by the Yes Clean. You get 120 pods. They're non-bio. They're the 4-in-1. So you've got your fabric conditioner, you've got your laundry liquid, you've got your stone remover, and like a cleanser, like you know, like a laundry disinfectant type of thing. If you put one of those into the drawer in your washing machine. So I've got 2 of these. I've gone for 2 different fragrances this time. I have. So the one that I'm just using the last one up of, I got the creamy coconut. This time I've gone for coconut and the sea breeze. So that is what they look like. Oh, they're utterly amazing. I'm really fussy about, you know, the laundry liquids and stuff that I use. We've had absolutely no allergic reaction. They disperse beautifully in the washing machine. They don't get stuck in the drum or anything like that. So these I bought myself, as I did the last lot, bought myself. I will try to link them down here somewhere, but I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, so but just so that you can hopefully get the link. I thought I'd just come on and show you.